5 things to satisfy your man. Men are pretty easy to satisfy if you know what they want. Do you want to learn how to keep your man happy? What are the secrets to keep a man happy? Is your relationship in trouble and you need to be happy again? Loving and keeping your man happy is really a very easy thing to do. Most men are easy enough to satisfy once you know the secrets of what they want. Read on to know exactly what needs to be done to keep your man happy. 1. Sex. It is true that men think of sex a good part of the time they are awake. Therefore, if you want to keep him happy, give him what he wants. Sex influences in men and is probably the best way to keep him happy at all times. 2. Ego. Another great way to keep him happy is to give his ego a little boost from time to time. Just as women like to hear compliments, you may be surprised to know that men like to hear that they are wonderful. They like to know that they are strong and powerful. They even like to hear that they are very sexy from time to time. By giving your compliments to your man, you can be sure that you will keep him happy. 3. Dress sexy. This does not mean that you have to look sexy all the time, but men do not like you to have little care in your appearance. Most men are driven by their eyes and compare you to all other women on the planet. Therefore, you don't have to be dressed as going to a party all the time, but a nice appearance is important to him. Most women put a lot of effort into looking nice when they are dating or are newly married, but over time the attention to that detail begins to fade. In order to keep your man happy, always wear some makeup or fix your hair. This is all that is needed. 4. Let him be himself. Don't forget to make it clear to your man that he has some time for himself. This means letting him go with his friends from time to time and doing things as a man. Also, let him watch his games without bothering him. He will be even happier if you decide to watch the game with him. 5. Treat him well. Remember the little things you did for him when you were dating him at the beginning of the relationship. Also, practice some random acts of kindness and don't always wait for an important party to buy a card that expresses your love for him. Tell him how much you love him every day, and you must be sure to express him your love by giving him a hug and a kiss whenever you can. You can make your boyfriend or husband smile with happiness by remembering you. Men are quite easy to please if you know what they want. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.